Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep. I have a package here. It is PTD in US digital code. So let's open it up. So inside there are two separate boxes. Looks like the out box with the photo book. Let's look at this first. Oh, I think this is a pre-order benefit. Looks like a set of OT7 Polaroids. Oh, take me back to PTD. We have Polaroids of all the members. And the back just looks like a Polaroid print. It's not an actual Polaroid, but oh, it does have glossy picture part and then sort of a textured Polaroid frame. So that's cool. So here's the set of Polaroids. Let's look at the package. Okay, so it opens like so, like the top, and there's the PTT confetti shaped cutouts in the front, which is a very cool detail. I like that. Oh, and then we have, okay, so the photo charm is, I think this is the photo charm. This is connected to like a protective box. And then we have the set of OT7 photo cards. So cute, so stinking cute. This is what the back looks like. So it has their name here. Oh my gosh, so cute. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Kim Taeyong. That forehead curl. So cute. Oh my gosh. Another forehead curl. I think this might be my favorite though. Oh my gosh, Namjini. What is this expression? This is a great set of photo cards. I'm so glad they gave us OT7 for photo cards. Hi, Editing Sheep here. Just wanted to hop on and show you the backs of the photo cards because I just noticed that the backs are all different. So Namjoon, Seokjin, Yoongi's back looks like this. Hobi, Jiminee. Oh wait, and I'm seeing that they connect. So let me show you them all connected. Okay, so here they are, all the backs connected. All right, back to the video. The packaging, they're using the like eco-friendly packaging, so it's very crinkly. But this looks like the display photo. We've got an accordion style display with all of the members. Oh, Hobi. He looks so good in that hat. Oh. Why am I getting this sudden urge to like buy this old PTD merch to commemorate? I do have this t-shirt. I got it in Las Vegas. I'm glad I got it. It's really soft. Like, it's been through several washes and it's just really soft cotton. Oh, everyone looks so cute and so good and I just miss them so much. So here is the accordion photo. And then here is a photo standee. You can display it like so. Very cute, very cute. And then let's look through the photo book. Oh, there's a blank piece of paper and there are, okay, so there's blank pieces of paper between the two photo books and we have Los Angeles and Las Vegas. Okay, let's look through the photo books. We'll look through Los Angeles first. Index, on stage, behind the scenes, and credits. Oh, SoFi Stadium. All right, this is when Namjoon still had that sort of like blondish reddish hair. Jin. Oh my gosh, red hair Yoongi. Lest we forget. May we never forget. Mm, Hobi. Oh right, Jiminyi had his like those highlights in. Oh my gosh. Oh, these fits. These fits take me back. Favorite shot is this of them with their arms around each other's shoulders. Oh, Black Swan. This outfit. This is Black Swan. Maybe this was, I think this was maybe fake love. Yoongi's little tongue sticking out. Okay, we've got the second outfits, or the third outfits. They started out in white, then the black, then the sort of like brighter fun. We had like Dynamite and Persona in these outfits. It's really nice to see these in like photograph, like picture photo book form. Like obviously we all consume the photos like digitally on our phones, but just to see them like in this photo book is really nice. Oh, I think either Dynamite or Persona. I remember this. Oh, they were having fun with the cannons. Jin is having so much fun with the cannon. And the trolley car. Just hanging out, goofing off. Oh no, we're already in encore outfits. Jin's ribbons in his hair. So cute. They really got some great shots in here. Oh. Another day, another. I remember looking forward to seeing like what hairstyle Jin would have during LA for the encore outfit. Yes. And he had RJ tied to his head one day. Ugh, this. I think this is Spring Day, right? Oh. Encore and like mint. Oh, and then the bubble, the balloons, balloon balls. Oh, and we have some, I guess these are like sound check or rehearsal behind the scenes photos. I think this sound check, I remember that outfit. Oof, 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 oof. This must have been the day they had the press conference right before, so they came out to sound check in suits. I guess this is during like rehearsals. So cute. Oh, look at that expression. Oh, look at Tay's smile. I love these candid moments. That's a good shot of JK. There's one of the group. And then credits. Okay, that was Los Angeles. Let's look at Las Vegas. This one's orange cover. Same. Index, on stage, behind the scenes, and then credits. Ooh. Starting off with a strong photo of the indoor like fireworks, fire display. That's right, they came out in the red outfits. And this is when Jin's hand was hurt, that's right. Oh, Yoongi, back to black hair. Oh yes, the mesh shirt underneath. Tay kind of had like a race car outfit. Oh, I remember, yep, JK with this jacket. Look at Jimin's smile. Oh, yes, that's right. JK like changed his jacket. Wow. Oh, that's a cool shot. Oh, I'm glad they got a full shot of this. Wow. Oh, back to the, now we're in the like brighter outfits again. Kim Namjoon. He was supposed to make this frame and he forgot and then he cracked up. And Chimney's looking at him, Yoongi's just laughing and oh, sorry, I keep hitting the, and JK's just cracking up. I'm so glad they included that. I vividly remember watching that. So cute. Oh, this is a cool shot of just like that atmosphere being in the concert. Oh yes, Yoongi with his overalls and the beret. Hopi with his cute little hat. Oh, Jin had a Hawaiian shirt on underneath. Cute. Ah, a good shot of the stadium. Oh, take me back. The new, like, PTD. We all remember when he, like, obliged the fans who were like, show us your abs. So cute. Oh. Then here they are in dance rehearsals. Sound check or rehearsals. Cute. Ooh, that's a good, those are both good shots of Jin and JK. Oh, Tay with his glasses? Hello. They all have glasses here, but something about like Professor Tay in that shirt right there. Cute. Oh, look at Yoongi looking off into the distance. Oh, having a meeting. Checking out the camera and the mirror. Oh, I love the candid shots. Oh, and the last little group shot. That's right, Jin sort of had highlights in his hair. And credits again. Here is everything that was in package. I think this was pre-order benefit. And so I'm assuming the digital code is in here. I'll cover this. This is the digicode. It's like a keychain. And then this is the photo tag. Ooh, I've got tape. Hold on, let me take it out of the plastic. Okay, so this is the digital code for the video content, explanation, and then like a photo frame thing. And then this is what the random photo key charm looks like. It's a paper material, pretty thick cardboard. Yeah, very cute. All right, thank you for watching my unboxing of PTD on stage in the US. I'm excited to scan my QR code to watch this concert again and relive all the lovely memories. I hope you're all staying safe and well, and I will see you next time. Bye.